To create Boots Advantage card first, you go to the Boots Advantage card page and either sign in if you already have a Boots.com account or create a new one if you don't. Once you're logged in, you fill in your personal details, like your name and email, and they'll ask if you already have a plastic card. If you do, you just enter the 12-digit number from the back. And if not, they give you a digital card right away. After that, you get a confirmation email, and boom, you can start using your card immediately. I also downloaded the Boots app because it makes life even easier. You can keep your card on your phone, collect points when shopping, redeem rewards, and even get access to some exclusive offers. In-store, you just show it at checkout, and online, make sure you're logged in with your Advantage card linked. Points add up quickly, and you can use them to pay for purchases either in full or partially, which is pretty nice. There are some extra perks. There are special prices for cardholders, student discounts if you're eligible, and even extra rewards for over 60s. Overall, it's a smooth process, and I'd say signing up online is way easier than doing in-store.